Yeah, there it is. It's a Category 5 hurricane. Pressure the same, 892.
It's 32
the
deaths.
scope of the devastation.
Melissa's going to lift off.
77% of the country, it is currently without
85 miles per
power.
hour.
The entire island of Jamaica feeling impacts from Melissa.
This is what I was talking about when I mentioned that the entire island winds that are going to cause catastrophic damage when you're
my
on.
citizens, stay
Yes.
inside, stay safe. Now is the time to protect life.
So it's Sunday, October 26th, and Hurricane Melissa is about to hit Jamaica. Now this system has been one of the strangest I've ever seen, just in terms of its movement and how slowly it's moving, and the fact that it's the first system to enter the Caribbean and we're nearly at the end of the season. It's just a strange system all around. Like, we were let out of work early on Thursday, anticipating the storm reaching us, and it's now Sunday, and the storm still fully hasn't gotten to us as yet. The last update I checked, it was Category 4, which within 24 hours it moved from a tropical storm to a hurricane Category 4. So I'm just here. I'm as ready as I can be, I guess. Just have a few food items to last me just a few days, just in case things get bad. Hopefully things don't get that. I mean, I don't have to worry about my roof so much. My only fear right now is because this system is moving so slow. I make some conflicts. Because the system is moving so slow, it's anticipated that there will be a lot of flooding because the system is massive, like massive, with a lot of rain, and it's moving very slowly. So it's going to linger a while. There's a lot of concrete out there. I'm not sure how well it will drain. Fingers crossed. I still need to put my important documents into some bags, like plastic bag, and then in a knapsack, just in case I have to leave abruptly. There's some trees around the house, but the landlord did some pruning earlier. But yeah, I'm just here to ride out the storm. Yeah, the whole reason I'm doing this is because I haven't done a video in a while, and I was just here saying, yo, just do a video and get it out. I hope you guys are staying safe, Maroons. Make sure you're staying safe. I'm going to try put out this video quick, actually. Just in case the electricity goes. That's my biggest fear, because I don't have a power bank. I mean, my phone is charged, my computer is charged, I charge my batteries. I still have some light now, but I don't have any power bank. So whenever the system goes out, or whenever the grid fails, whatever charge I have is what I would be left with until things resolve themselves. I'm hoping it don't get that bad. But yeah, hopefully you guys staying safe, taking the proper precautions, ensure that you know where the closest shelter to you is. I need to go look where the closest shelter to me is. And yeah, just be safe. Fingers crossed, it's not as bad as predicted.
Like guys, this is literally what I was talking about just after I finish recording. So it's like Category 4, 140 miles per hour, so it's close to Category 5, and it's barely moving like 5 miles per hour. It's crazy. So it's moving extremely slow. Look on the size of the system. That's crazy. Like, you can't even see Jamaica. You can't even see Cuba, much less see Jamaica. How big the system is.
It's hard to leave with you still on my mind.
going to cook fish, but change my mind. Just do something quick. It's now 3:30 on Sunday, and things really haven't started picking up as yet. Boy, it not even start good, and it not look good for the mango tree. I don't think this mango tree now make it through the hurricane. The wind barely started, and this mango tree is already under severe stress.
Some time, but I realize now it's all for you.
It rained for the most of last night. With the breeze getting a bit heavy now and then, but it was nothing too serious. No heavy rains, just like a constant downpour of, I would say, moderate rain. And the wind picking up speed now and then, but none too major. But now in the morning, it is now 4:44 a.m. on Monday, and it's a bit of the same. It sounds as if the wind is picking up a bit, but the last forecast I saw, hear that? Whoa, the last forecast I saw estimated that it would make direct landfall on Tuesday.
And guys, literally as I recorded that, I checked, well, this was actually 41 minutes ago. Melissa is now a category 5, but what I've been seeing is that it's been moving westerly a lot. My hope is that it continues west before going north, because if it starts going north now, then wow. But hopefully it continues to go left and then go north, so it kind of evades us, but can only be hopeful. I got up to just keep cutting down trees, wind, rains. Today expecting the rain to increase a bit today, but really and truly the expectation is that tonight into tomorrow is when we'll get the blunt of it. So just bracing for that. I mean, what else is there to do? I'll continue to monitor and update you guys as things progress, if they do progress. But to me, it seems as if the storm will continue to drift west until it's out of our vicinity, and then it will go north. That's how I think, but you know, I'm no meteorologist. It's just based on my observation. People, Jamaicans literally take nothing seriously. Like, look at this. Jamaicans take nothing seriously. What is this guy doing? Watch out. Why? What would possess you for going in the water? Hey, if lucky, you know, if lucky. Back again, guys. I mean, at this point, does this video even make sense? Because it's just the same thing. I'm showing you again. I've been stuck inside for 2 days now. 2 days, and the system hasn't really made landfall as yet. So just patiently waiting. It's just a bit of the same all day. Just continuous rain, not a lot of wind today actually. Yeah, that's all really. The good thing is I still have electricity, so like I can still keep my devices charged, and so that's the upside, I guess. Just here staying up to date with the news, realizing that this is one of the strongest hurricanes that we've ever seen and it's going to make direct landfall. The international cover on this makes it seem scary. Because of that, you tend to feel like it's being blown out of proportion, but I know that these things are serious and nature isn't something to mess with. As I said, took as many precautions as I could like this. Apart from leaving Kingston to go to Manchester where I'd be on higher ground. Bro, somebody just come with a random chainsaw and limb up some tree. It seemed like. Bro, that has to be the sharpest machete I've ever seen. The man just chopped down the tree limb like nothing. Literally have not been outside in like 2 days. I will see what I'm going. Guys, I've been outside for about 30 minutes, but the downpour get heavier, so I'm just coming outside for a bit. So it's now 5:06 a.m. on Wednesday, and at this point it's been a couple hours of consistent heavy winds and rain. What's that coming from me? I mean, the system is all the way across the other side of the island.
See Kingston, which is the capital of Jamaica. It's the most populous city. It's pretty far. Could we measure how far away it is from the actual eye? So Jamaica is a decently large island, okay? So it's over 75, almost 80 miles away from the actual center of Melissa. So for the most part, Kingston and points east, you're kind of out of the hurricane force gust.
But, I mean, I guess because I'm so far east, it's not as bad as it could be, which I'm really grateful for. But guys, I've been here for hours just taking in this, because these winds are crazy. And imagine that we are actually the side of the island that's experiencing it the least, because we're on the eastern side of the island and the storm is passing over most of the western side, central to west. So like people in St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Westmoreland, those parishes, they're getting it worse. And if the system is this strong on the outskirts, can you imagine closer to the center, closer to the eye? Oh gosh. My view is so limited. You guys must be tired of seeing the same trees, but that's the only view I have. I mean, when it dies down and settles, I guess I can go out and look and see what, and do like a damage assessment, see what it's like. I'm not going to lie, it feels good to be outside after being stuck inside for so many days. I'm just going to take a quick spin around the block to see what the damage is like. I mean, morning chief. Well, I mean, clearly from just stepping out, it's not as bad as what I've seen online. But then again, we experienced the weakest winds here in Kingston, so that's expected. We're just going to spin around the block. Really and truly, my real aim for today is to see if somehow I can make it to St. Elizabeth. I don't know how likely that is, because I don't know what the transportation system is like now. So I'm trying to find like reliable transportation to get there and back. I mean, like, I'm looking, but all the roofs and all the trees, whoa, watch your bees. All the roofs and trees seem to still be intact, except for this tree that's down here. I'm gonna go closer, I'll see. But yeah, just leaves everywhere, and I guess like an accumulation of debris all over. But
No major damage as yet. We have a tree here that's down. Oh wow. Good thing we look at the light wire that here's across the road. I don't know if that live, so we're just going to stay away from that. We'll have a down the tree here. One more there. A few over there. Oh, this big tree kinda got tipped over as well. No major damage as yet. Well, I said no major while I'm passing a tree and a broken down fence here. But as I say, this is all relative compared to what I've seen online from St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Westmoreland. This is nothing. I'm not sure what the death toll is as yet. I know that before the storm started there were like 3 deaths. Hopefully that didn't increase any at all. Man, can you imagine? Imagine the power it would take to topple a tree that's this massive. That's crazy. Look how big the root is. Even this light post, I guess the tree probably hit this light post and it'll go over. Calm down and behave yourself. What's the matter? Calmate. Calma. Behave yourself. Punk. Bro, every roof is intact. But I mean, that's expected. Based on just the infrastructure this side of the island compared to the infrastructure as to where it made landfall, like Black River on that side. Yeah, it's expected that there would be a lot less damage here. Most of the damage here would come from probably falling trees or falling light poles, etc. The tree is broken off here. Oh no, this cat didn't make it through the storm. Oh, that's sad to see. There's a lot of wild animals. When I say wild, I mean like homeless animals, street animals in this area. A lot of cats. You know, Kingston, a lot of dogs. So sad to see that really and truly they were just left to nature and had to fight for survival through what we witnessed. Bro, calm down, the road. Why you drive so fast on the road stay like this? These people. Oh wow. I don't really know why they might drive so fast. From the bus stop. So at this point we decided to just take a quick drive through Kingston to see what the damage was like. All the response man them should have dip on the road already, brother. Like them thing in the main area supposed to clear already, bro. Oh man. All of them here. Block off the road. No see sunshine from about Wednesday, Thursday. More? I'll make it me know sir when I said it flood, you know, because you're so flood easy. Watch it, treat them now. Car wash open? That's crazy. car wash open the day after. It was evident that throughout Kingston the damage was not too much, but you can see the people working together and just trying to get back to some sense of normalcy. And then you wonder how like the Z structure I make it, brother. No, like so on 3 days or 2 drop down. How them zinc structure you make it?
We drove through downtown Kingston, went to waterfront, and it was shocking to see the amount of debris and mud that washed into the harbour.
The debris was supposed to wash down out there, sir. Yeah, must go around here, take your time, but you. Oh shit, I like posted on too. Yeah, water, it gets saturated. I know this wall, that stone wall what they make. I best thing, brother. I best thing, cause yeah, bro. I best thing. Okay, if this not there, so you know, I can't pass the road. The road I wouldn't have no use, brother, cause the Korean come wash it.
We went all the way around to Parishes, but there was nothing much to see, so we made a decision to turn back and go back into Kingston, which looking back now is a decision I regret. I wish we had went around to Port Royal to see what it was like around that side of the island. I've always seen, after disasters reach certain countries, I've always seen pray for this country, hashtag pray for this country, hashtag pray for that country. But I've never for once thought that I would see that for my own country. I never for once thought I would be seeing hashtag pray for Jamaica. The sheer destruction and devastation that I'm seeing online, it's heartbreaking, I tell you. It's really heartbreaking to think that that's really my home, that I'm seeing that. I really hope that filming the extent at which Melissa affected Kingston and posted it, I'm really hoping that doesn't come across as insensitive or disrespectful to the victims that would have really seen the blunt of Melissa and her aggression. That's not the impression. It's just, my impression is just to show this side of the island, I guess. A system like this, it really affects us all as Jamaican, if you think of it. Obviously, as this side is not as devastated as the west side of the island, it definitely affects all Jamaicans. I mean, disasters such as this, they bring along a lot of secondary impacts that you might not think of right away. St. Elizabeth is called the breadbasket parish for a reason. So, can you imagine how that will affect the cost of grown produce, of food, when you go to the market in a few weeks, all this damage that would have been done to farms. I mean, when you have a lot of water settled for an extended period of time, you can imagine the mosquitoes that will breed up, and then the diseases that can arise from all these things, strain that it will put on the resources that the government have. As I said, the diseases, the economic loss. You have, this is a note to the people that were really severely affected. When the dust settles, you will have wolves that come and try to prey on you. Wolves in the form of corporations or rich, wealthy men that they will claim, they will make promises saying that they would be helping you, or trying to say that they'll make things easier for you. They will make offers for your possessions, whether that be land or such, under the guise of helping you out. Just bear in mind that whatever it is that they're offering you for your property is not enough. Just know that if it's worthless as they say, or if it's not as valuable as they might say, think to yourself, why would they want to buy it? Yeah, the people that will try to take advantage of you under the guise of gentrification. The main reason for this section of the video, as the light goes down, is just to bring awareness that everything counts, regardless of how small you might think that your contribution is. Everything counts. Every $1,000, every 1,000 Jamaican dollar, every $5 US, every bottle of water, every tin of sardines, everything contributes to helping the most affected people. If you think about it, really, when you're in need, no amount is too little. If you're in Jamaica, or if you're abroad and you see this and you're interested in volunteering, then you can definitely reach out to the relevant bodies in order to volunteer, because you don't want to just go haphazardly and probably cause more problems by you being there. So find the correct avenues through which to volunteer, so that everything is done orderly. If you're abroad, while this channel is small, somebody from the diaspora might see this. If you're abroad, beware of scams. Please, if you're going to be sending your hard-earned money to help Jamaicans out, be careful of scams. I've seen a lot of AI videos and so along going around, so beware of scams and ensure that you use approved or authorized methods to donate. I will have the main one here that I saw is www.supportja.gov.jm. That's the main link that we have. Let me just ensure that I say it right. www.supportjamaica.gov.jm. And if you're interested, reach out to the relevant bodies such as ODPEM, any of the ministries of government here, organizations like NEPA, Food for the Poor, CARICOM, all these entities. Use approved or authorized methods to contribute. Send us prayers if you can. My fellow Jamaicans, the most important thing at this point in time is to remember that we're all one at the end of the day. Remember community. Right now, community is going to be the most important thing for us Jamaicans, especially in the rebuilding stage. Your community is going to be so important to you. Keep an eye out for each other. Help in any way that you can. Send prayers for your community members and such. And I know it's rough and it's going to take a lot to get back to where we were. But if anybody can do it, Jamaicans can do it. At the end of the day, we are Jamaicans, and as we always say, we're little but we're talawa. Blessings and prayers, my brothers and sisters. Help if you can.
Give us some needed assistance. Well, there's a lot of people here that assistance is needed. As I'm saying, I'm not so mentally strong. You get? I'm still trying to represent for the community because we lose everything. A construction work we do from at 15 years old, you know. Me don't have nothing left. Oh, you see me now? I'm like this. I live out, I'm a bag. The bag. Just one soul. So tell us what we need. What we need. What we need. Because I'm not going to talk for myself because a lot of people in a worse situation than me too. But what the community need is a little, if I may, a little assurance from the representatives
Yo, brother, I just leave from Black River. I see it first and strong while I'm in a ball. Brother, people sit down on the road and in a mud and everything. House top gone, no light, no food. Brother, you want to see things them mother man take out of the supermarket, them muddy. And that the people them have to take care. People just try hold on. People are take more than what them can carry. Because them have to just hold on to things where last them because them don't know how long them are going to last. But them are going to sleep. People don't even know because them are in the house. But I bad, yo.
And today is a day when everybody asks me, alright, me have life. Everybody appreciate life. At this moment, no big house no mean nothing. No big car no mean nothing. No land no mean nothing. Life is everything right now. Everybody, alright, boy, I lose my house, but me have life. We have life. My house, me lose my house, me lose my shop, me lose everything, but me have life.
Are you okay?
No.
Children then. They have small children.
It's terrible.
Alright, it's alright.
Hold the faith, Millie. Hold the faith, girl.
Hold away now this.
Hold it. You know, we are together. Hold the faith. Hold the faith. Yeah, man. Hold the faith. Hold the faith.
Hold away now.
We'll come together, man. And build back better than before. Just hold the faith. Yeah, I just need some help. Call my son's school thing destroy everything.
Everything destroyed.